In Sahih al-Bukhari, it mentions that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam on Eid al-Adha, big Eid, would visit the graves. When do you ever see Salafis visiting graves? They avoid it because there has been placed in their minds a shirk phobia. Anything to do with practices that are even established from the Sunnah, sarih, they have a shirk phobia, to the point that they cannot even ascribe virtues to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam because they become fearful. They think we will end up committing shirk. So some of them, some of the extreme Salafis, they will say there is no difference between us and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, except that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he only has wahi. So they don't understand that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had a physical light emanating from his face. He didn't need to shave his armpits because he wouldn't have hair growing in that area. When he would sweat in perfume. All this is from Sahih al-Bukhari. When he would sweat, the sweat would be perfume. Meaning the prophets are not like us in many characteristics. But when the Wahhabis in 1800s India had this belief that the Prophet is a man like me and you, except revelation is sent to him, no other difference. You had the likes of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani claiming to be a prophet. This is why he died from dysentery. He was unclean. But prophets do not have uncleanliness. They are clean to the point that they never smell. So what they say then, they say, oh, these are Barelvi beliefs. These are beliefs made up by Ahmad Rida Khan in Bareilly. This is the propaganda. I'm afraid these are not Barelvi beliefs. These are correct beliefs. Meaning, what I mean, they are not beliefs made up by a group called Barelvis. These are beliefs of Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah, of the Ummah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You find these type of beliefs throughout the works of Al-Islam.